Well, that's not good either.
What the fuck, dude?
Yeah, but this guy is going crazy too. I don't know what the fuck they're doing.
Fuck you. Not going anywhere. Shut your engine off.
He just
Shut your fucking engine off.
He's crazy. No, he
Dude, everybody.
What? He hit me right over here. On camera. You're fucking psycho. Yeah, good. I'm glad someone's here. You're fucking crazy. No, it's the truck. It's the truck. No, it's this guy. It's the truck. Hey, he's hitting him. He's attacking him.
This guy hit me in here. I was in the stall. That guy.
This dude kept hitting him over and over.
Kjørte over foten min, kjenner jeg er helt tjukk i huet, eller? Du kjørte over foten min! Er du helt tjukk i huet? Er du helt tjukk i huet? Du kjører ikke over folk, vet du! Kjør inn til siden! Kjør inn til siden! Flying it, dude! That's on f***ing video, bro! I got you on video, bro! What's up, bro? What's up?
See here the black car pull in front of the Hyundai. That driver then speeds up, getting close to the bumper of the black car. It's very quick, but the driver of the black car gets out with a baseball bat here and appears to hit the hood of the Hyundai. And then the passenger of the Hyundai gets out, runs to the other car's driver, pulls her out of the car and starts hitting her. 45 seconds later, the driver of the Hyundai grabbed the same bat the black car's driver had, but then the video cuts off. Illinois State Police have seen the video and
Oh my God. Kid on its knee as well, not strapped in, sat on the knee. You want 2 lanes now as well. Silly. Right up his arse as well. They obviously don't think they're on camera, do they? They've got the kid in the car and everything. What do you want to do? I've got it all on. Yeah, I will. I'll follow you wherever you go, but I've got it all on camera anyway. And they've got a 3-year-old sat on the knee, not even strapped in.
I know.
I think he wants you to pull over. I know.
Fucking driving right up past everybody's car. I got the real problem statement. You pushed me off the road.
child in, you idiot!
Fucking bitch. What's up, motherfucker? Pull the fuck over. Pull over. What's up, dude? Fuck's wrong with you? I got you on camera, bitch. Yeah. Get his plate. Fucking bitch.
The camera rolled as the Jeep kept going with the Prius wedged to it. Witnesses on social media say the man standing on the street is the Toyota's driver, who was involved in some sort of argument with the Jeep's driver. It appears no one was hurt from the collision.
There was like a bunch of people got out of their cars to like try and help.
LAPD's Rampart Division says the case is being investigated and it's too early for police to share any information. The man behind the wheel.
Fuck off your fucking bait! Fucking dumb cunt. You wanna fucking go? Get the fuck. Fuck.
Fuck you! Use your fucking mirrors, prick! Come on, pull over now, pull over, you got it now! Pull down here, come on. I got you all on camera. All on camera.
Меня твои истории просто доебали уже, я уже не могу их слушать. Одна история охуительней другой просто, блядь. Про говно, блядь, про какую-то хуйню, малафью. Что ты несешь-то вообще, блядь, может... Шишка, блядь, станет, возбудимся, блядь, чего, блядь? А что несет? Вообще охуеть.
Я тебе вверх вот. Я тебе знаю, сейчас догонять это. Надавлю. Догонишь меня?
Hadouken!
Machista now.
Oh man, AW 7174.
Fuck you. Eat a dick. I have you on camera, you fucking idiot.
Get in your car!
Look at this. Look at this shit. Hang on, I gotta get this license plate.
Get in your
Pointed
car!
a fucking gun at me. Look at this shit. You're going right, I'm going right to the fucking